G'day, welcome again to Country Wholesale Group here at 15 Uralla Road in sunny Port Macquarie on the mid-north coast of New South Wales. A gorgeous little seaside town and certainly worth a visit. Let's have a look at this new arrival. It is a Holden SS in a V8 in a 6-speed manual. Simply stunning. They don't make them anymore. Jump in and grab one. VF SS, factory alloy wheels, red hot in colour. What a stunning vehicle. Listen to that rumble of the V8. And as I said, they're not making them anymore. Do not miss this stunning vehicle. They seem to be appreciating. Let's have a look inside. Super comfortable sport seats. Let's actually pop the bonnet. It does have an X-Force exhaust. Let's see if we can pop the bonnet here. Here we go. Yeah, it's got a Harrop OTR. Can't beat a V8. So simply stunning. What a beautiful car. If you love Holdens as we do, this one's an outstanding example of the mark. Great looking trim. The seats with the suede inserts, super comfortable. 2013 VF. Let's close the door. There we go. So Country Wholesale Group, cwg.net.au. 89,000 very careful kilometres. As I said earlier, it's got the X-Force exhaust. Yeah, very hard to beat a V8. Listen to that crackle and pop. 6-speed manual, ice cold air conditioning, climate controlled, cruise control and Bluetooth. And again, the seats are super comfortable. They're certainly not making these vehicles anymore. Do not miss this opportunity. Let's jump out of the vehicle. Now you can phone us on 6581 2881 if you want your own customised in-depth virtual tour of the vehicle. That's 6581 2881 should you wish to have your own customised virtual tour of the vehicle. Got the rear spoiler. Again, the X-Force exhaust. What a beauty. Stunning looking vehicle. Well cared for, well looked after, a real credit to its previous owner. Again, 6581 2881 if you want your own customised virtual tour. What a beautiful car. Good in the body, well looked after, well serviced. Come and check it out here at 15 Uralla Road in Port Macquarie, because there's no doubt that you will be more than impressed with this high performance sedan V8. Before everything goes electric, you may want to experience this stunning combustion engine. Come and check it out. We certainly will look after you.